Hello everyone. Now today we will see topic called integration. So before you see integration, you must have complete your derivative. So I hope that you have done your derivative topic well. So now you can begin with integration. So what is integration? Integration is nothing but it is antiderivative. That is, it is a method by which you can find the function, okay, from its derivative. Okay, so what it mean, what I am saying, okay, let us understand this with the help of example. Suppose there is a function called x square plus 4. So d by dx of, or let us say it is x square only. So what is the derivative of x square? You will say that derivative of x square is 2x. So now I want a method by which I can find out x square when I know this 2x, and that method is nothing but it is called integration. So integration is reverse of derivation. Okay, so in terms of integration, what I say that integration of this 2x with respect to x, so that is into dx, this is equals to x square. Now let us understand few things. First, this sign is something like this. Okay, this sign is integration sign. Like when we are finding derivative of any term, we write d upon dx or dy, something like that. Similarly, when we have to integrate a function, we use this particular symbol. This symbol indicates that we are doing operation of integration. Okay, then here we have dx. Now this dx, it indicates that the variable here in this problem is x. So dx indicate that we are integrating a given function with respect to x. Okay, so these two terms are clear. Okay, now this 2x, what we have written here, whose integration we are finding, that 2x is called integrand. So this 2x is integrand, and this x square which we got, okay, so this is this 2x and this is integrand, and this x square what we got, this x square is called integral. Okay, so I hope you understand this sign. This sign is indicating that we are doing integration. Okay, and this whole process of finding this integral, okay, is called integration. So what is integration? Integration is to find integral of a given function, and this is reverse of derivative. Okay, so I hope you understand what is integration is, right? Okay, now let me take few examples. Say if d by dx derivative of say x square plus 5. Okay, now if you find derivative of x square plus 5, what is your result? Your result is 2x. When you take derivative of sorry, here it is derivative of x square plus 5, so I will write x square plus 5 like this, no equal to sign between. Here derivative of say x square plus 10, so this also you will get 2x only, because you know that derivative of this constant term is 0. So now when I integrate 2x here, my answer should be x square plus 5, and when I integrate here, this is with respect to x, when I integrate here, the integration of this 2x should be this x square plus 10. Okay, that means it is x square, we are saying that okay, this is coming, okay, this is constant, but this 5 10, this is changing. So for 2x only, this 5 10, these values are changing. So what we do, this term which is changing, instead of writing its exact value, we write a constant c. and the value of this constant c, whether it is 5 or 10, okay, that you will come to know if they will give you some specific conditions. So how you will come to know that, you will see when you encounter problems similar to it. Okay, so that we will see later on. So basically what you understand that whenever you integrate any particular function, you will get some constant, okay, whose value is not known at that particular moment. And why you are getting that constant? Because it might possible that, in the original function there might be some constant whose derivative is 0, so you cannot know which constant was there originally, right? Okay, so as you learn a few formulas for derivations, similarly there are some formulas for integrations, and these formulas are derived, you can say that they are derived from the derivative formulas only. So let us discuss these formulas. There are hardly 4 or 5 formulas in the beginning, so uh, we will discuss its a derivative and integral part both. Okay, so say for d by dx of x power n, now when we differentiate we get answer as n into x power n minus 1. Okay, so here you can say that when you integrate this part you will get this x power n, but we will not always get term like this, or it is like quite difficult for us to convert each thing in this particular format. Therefore while dealing with integration, okay, we modify this whole form and we find integration of x power n. So integration of x power n, it is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here you see that here you are multiplying with this factor, okay, so here you are dividing, here your power is decreasing by 1, so here your power is increased by 1. Okay, so this is a similarity. You can okay, prove that this is correct. How you can prove that? Here take the derivative of this particular term x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, you will get x power n only. Okay, so I'm not going in that. So here you can remember that integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. The next formula in derivative you have done is d by dx of say log x. So d by dx of log x is what? 1 upon x. Now in some of the textbooks this log x is written as ln x. So d by dx of ln x. Now what is ln? Ln is nothing but we call this as natural log. So for natural log we use term ln, and for log where base is 10 we use log. Okay, so in some of the textbooks like if you go for CBSE textbooks, there you will find this ln symbol instead of log, but here in Maharashtra textbooks still we are following this log notation only. So here whenever log is written, you consider that this is natural log and derivative of this natural log is 1 upon x. So as derivation of this log x is 1 upon x, what we can say that integration of 1 upon x dx will be equal to log x and plus c. This is second formula. Third, you know that derivative of a power x. Derivative of a power x is what? It is a power x into log a. Okay, so similarly here we have integration of a power x. Integration of a power x will be a power x. Now here we have multiplied by log a, so here we will divide by log a. So a power x upon log a plus c. D by dx of, if it is e power x, so its derivative is e power x only. So here we have integration of e power x will be e power x plus c. So these 4 formulas are enough to begin with. Now at one place if I write these formulas like integration of x power n dx, what we got? We got x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of 1 upon x, we got log x plus c. Integration of a power x, it is a power x upon log a plus c. Integration of e power x is e power x plus c. Okay. And one more thing, if it is like integration of dx only, then what you will write? You should write x, because derivative of x is 1. So when we integrate only dx, we will get x plus c. And if there is some number like say 5 is there, so then here you have simply 5x plus c. Okay, this 5 is constant, so you can take this 5 constant out and integrate the variable part. Okay, so these are the formulas, few formulas. Now here a very important thing, that whenever this x is replaced by some function of the form of ax plus b, so if x is replaced by some function in the form of ax plus b, okay, where a will be some number and b will also be some number, b could also be 0, okay, and say it is the whole power n into dx, then in the solution you will write ax plus b the whole power n plus 1. That means you treat this whole part as x divided by, here it is n plus 1 as we are seeing here in this formula, but the variable of x we will write in denominator. Okay, now how we get this formula? So that we will see when we will see some other methods of finding integrations, that is substitution method we will say. Okay, so but for the time being you can remember this thing, that whenever your x in these four formulas are replaced by a term called ax plus b, then you treat them as x, and whatever answer you are getting, just divide that answer by a, or I will say that multiply the denominator by a. Don't do the same thing with constant, because constant if you divide by a, it will become some other constant, so we will write plus c only. Okay, so I think we can proceed with the problems. Okay, once you see the problems you will understand it in better way. Okay, so let us move to your first exercise. Now this is your first problem. Okay, here you have to evaluate integration minus 2 upon root of 5x minus 4 minus of root of 5x minus 2 dx. So always remember that whenever you have root term in the denominator, okay, you first rationalize it, okay, and then integrate. So here I will say that I equal to, now always for integration I take a variable I. Okay, it is your choice, you can write I or you can directly write this problem. So it is minus 2 divided by root of 5x minus 4 minus root of 5x minus 2 into dx. So I said that first we will rationalize. So this is this minus 2, if you want you can take outside also. So here it is 1 divided by root of 5x minus 4 minus root of 5x minus 2. We multiply this whole term by root of 5x minus 4 plus, now here it is minus sign, so we will use plus sign for rationalization. So it is 5x minus 2 and whole divided by, this is 2 not 5, whole divided by root of 5x minus 4 plus root of 5x minus 2. So here in numerator you have root of 5x minus 4 plus root of 5x minus 2. and in denominator it is a minus b into a plus b will become a square minus b square. That is, this root 5x minus 4 will become 5x minus 4 minus this will become 5x minus 2. Okay, so this is equals to minus 2 of integration. Here we have root of 5x minus 4. This you can write as 5x minus 4 the whole power half, plus this is 5x minus 2 the whole power half, whole divided by, when we open the bracket, this 5x will cancel, and this is minus 4 plus 2, so minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Now this minus 2 and this minus 2 we can cancel, so here it is integration of 5x minus 4 the whole power half, plus this is 5x minus 2 the whole power half. Now you see that this 5x minus 4, it is of the form of ax plus b, and we know that integration of x power n dx, it is x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So if I apply this concept here, it will be 5x minus 4 the whole power. Now I have to add 1, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1, it is 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 divided by 2. Now here x, it is not x, it is of the form of ax plus b. So integration of ax plus b also we have seen, integration of ax plus b the whole power n dx, it is ax plus b power n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1, right? So the coefficient of x we will write here. Okay, so therefore this part will become this formula, you know, so I will erase it for clarity and I will write 5 here. Okay, similarly plus here we have, it is 5x minus 2 the whole power 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 5 into 3 divided by 2 and plus c. So don't forget to write plus c. It is equals to, now c denominator is common in both the places, so you can club them, you can take that common, this 2 will go up, so it is 2 divided by 3 5 are 15, we will write in bracket, and here it is 5x minus 4 power 3 divided by 2 plus 5x minus 2 power 3 divided by 2 plus c. This is your integration. I is equals to 2 divided by 15, 5x minus 4 power 3 by 2 plus 5x minus 2 power 3 by 2. Okay, so you have solved this first question. Done. Now here is second question in front of you. You have to evaluate 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial. Now what I can say that you first try this problem and then check the solution. So here again we have to integrate 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial. Okay, now here you can split, like here it is 1 into dx, that is dx, plus this second term is x into dx, plus this third term is 1 upon 2 factorial. 1 upon 2 factorial is nothing but 1 upon 2 into integration of x square dx. Now evaluate integrations separately. Integration of dx, what you will get? You will get x, because here it is 1 into dx. We have seen that integration of 1 is x, or you can consider that this is 1 into x power 0 and apply the formula for x power n, plus here integration of x is x square divided by 2, plus here it is 1 divided by 2, integration of x square is x cube divided by 3, and plus finally we have c. So therefore I have integration I is equals to x plus x square upon 2 plus x cube divided by 6 plus the constant c. This is I is x plus x square divided by 2 plus x cube divided by 6 plus c. This is your second solution. Now here we have third question. Now in this third question, what you do? How you solve? Okay. An integration, you keep in mind that all the problem you have to reduce it in the form of the formula of what you have discussed. Okay. So here what we do, it is integration of 3x cube minus 2 root x whole divided by x. So do one thing, you separate them. So the first part will become 3x cube divided by x into dx minus, it is 2 integration of root x. Root x is nothing but x power half divided by x dx. Okay. So this is equals to 3. It is integration of 1x will cancel. So it is x square dx minus 2. Here it is x power half minus 1. So it will become minus half into dx. Okay. So this is 3 into integration of x square is what? It is x cube divided by 3 minus 2 into integration of x power half is what? X power minus half plus 1 is plus half divided by half plus c. So this will become, now this 3 will cancel, and here you will get x cube minus this 2 will go in numerator. Okay, so it is 2 into 2 is 4 into x power half plus c. So you can say that this is x cube minus 4 root x plus c. Done. This is your third problem. Now here you have fourth problem. You have to evaluate 3x square minus 5 the whole square. Okay. So what you do? It's a simple. What we do? We expand it. You know a minus b the whole square. Right? Apply the formula and solve the problem. So here it is 9 x power 4 a square minus 2ab. So 2 into 3 6, 6 into 5 30. It is 30x square plus 5 5 is 25. Now you can integrate. So the integration of 9x power 4 is 9 into x power 5 divided by 5 minus 30, it is into x square divided by 2 plus this 25, integration of 25 is what? 25 into x plus you have constant of integration. So finally you will get 9 divided by 5 into x power 5 minus this is 15 x square plus this is 25x plus you have constant of integration c. Now see how you do this question. Okay, you have to convert this in a standard form. Okay, there is a method called partial fraction that I will discuss you with later on. Then if I discuss it later on, then what we do here, it is 1 upon x into x minus 1, and we have not seen any formula like this. The formula is like 1 upon x or 1 upon ax plus b, like that, but here in denominator is it in multiple form. So what you can do, okay, do this. You in this one you add x and you subtract x. So when you add and subtract, there will be no like change in the numerator. It is 1 only, right? Then what you do, this x, the plus x what you have written, that you separate out. So it is x upon x into x minus 1 and the remaining part is 1 minus x, but in denominator it is x minus 1. So let us take minus sign common. So it will also become x minus 1. So minus I will split. So here write dx x minus 1 upon x into x minus 1 into dx. Okay. Now see, this x and this x you can cancel. So it is integration of 1 upon x minus 1 minus, now this x minus 1 will cancel. So it is 1 upon x dx. So here your answer is log of x minus 1 minus, here it is log of x plus c. You know the property of log. Log a minus log b is what? Log a upon b. So you can also write this as log of x minus 1 divided by x plus c. This is your answer. So have you understood? Okay, you can mark this problem as important or a star mark if in the first place you have not understood how to proceed. Okay. Now this sixth problem, if f dash x is x square plus 5 and f of 0 is minus 1, then find what is fx. Okay, so very good question. F dash x is what? It is nothing but it is derivative of the function, and you have to find the original function. So your original function fx, you will see that this is nothing but it is integration of this derivative part. So it is integration of this f dash x with respect to x. So you can say that this fx, it is nothing but it is integration of x square plus 5 and integration of this x square plus 5 is x cube divided by 3 plus it is 5x, and yes, I will get some constant c. Okay, this much you know how to do it. Then why they have given this f of 0? So in the beginning I told you that this constant we can find out if in the problem they mentioned some condition. So here that condition they have mentioned that for 0, for x is equals to 0, the value of fx is minus 1. So let us apply this condition. So here f of 0 here what you find, this 0 cube is 0, 5 into 0 is 0 and plus c, and f of 0 is given minus 1. So this minus 1 is c. So this is how you get the value of constant. Now once you get the value of constant, again write this fx. So this fx is x cube divided by 3 plus 5x minus 1. So this is your answer. Simple. Now in this problem, if f dash x is 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k, and f of 0 is 1 and f of 1 is 4, we have to find fx. So you have to find fx and f dash x is given, but now two conditions they have given. So why two condition? Once we integrate, we will get one constant, and they also have mentioned one constant here which is k. So fx will be integration of f dash x. So it is integration of 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k. Okay, so its integration is, it is 4 into x power 4 divided by 4 minus 3 into x cube divided by 3 plus 2 into x square divided by 2 plus k can be written as kx plus I will get one constant c. This you simplify further. So this 4 4, this 3 3, this 2 2 will cancel. So you will say that your fx is x power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus kx plus c. Okay, Now we will use these conditions. So first let us use f of 0. Okay, f of 0. Now I will say that f of 0 is equals to, now this is, say it is equation 1. So f of 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So it will become c. So f of 0 is what? F of 0, we have f of 0 is 1. So therefore 1 is equals to c. So we get the value of c is equals to 1. Okay, so therefore rewrite fx again. So fx is x power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus kx plus c, so plus 1. Okay, again f of 1 is given 4. So I will say that also f of 1 is 4. So therefore in place of x I replace 1. So it is 1 power 4 minus 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1k plus 1, and this is equals to 4. So therefore now this will cancel. This is 1 plus k plus 1, that is k plus 2. So k plus 2 is 4. This implies the value of k as 2. So the value of k is 2. So therefore fx, therefore we say that therefore fx is equals to x power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the value of fx. Right, simple. Find fx. So this is what fx we got. So this 8th question is also same. So here you can see in the same manner we have solved. Fx is integration of f dash x. So we put the value of f dash. Okay, and we use the formula, we integrate it. Now two constants are there, one is k and c. So to get the value of c, we use the value 0, f of 0. F of 0 is given 2. So by that I put x with 0 and I get the value of c as 2. Then there is one more condition. F of 3 is given 5. So I will replace x with 3. So once I replace x with 3, after solution I will get the value of k. So here we get the k is 1. So therefore we put the value of k and we put the value of c, and this is your final answer. So now you see how you can solve the problems related with integration. Okay, here you understand that if possible, convert the problem in the way that it is similar to the formula what we learned, and then write the formula, write the integration. Okay, so thank you. In the next class we will see another way, or there is a method called substitution method. We will see some other kind of problems that cannot be solved like this. There we have to use substitution method. So we will see what is substitution method and how to solve the problem using substitution method.